Wow.
Happy weekend, everyone. You will probably be seeing this on Monday.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
If you edit by then. Hi, everyone. We just wanted to go ahead and say hi today because it's going by fast. Everything's waking up in the garden. We went ahead today and we headed out to Meadows Farms Nursery, one of our local nurseries where we go and pick up all our beautiful green bags of espoma organic potting soil.
And for ices. Yeah.
I'm the icy person.
We got some potting soil because the last time we went out there, we brought you guys along as well, but we didn't find the size of potting soil that we normally get. We get the 2 cubic foot size of potting soil because it's a bigger bag. Easier to have bigger bags than it is a bunch of smaller 1 cubic foot size bags in the garden. So we waited for them to get a delivery of 2 cubic feet bags, and that's what we actually got. So we went and picked up, what did we get, like 6 bags? So we got about 6 bags. We had some mulch already in the back of the truck, but we got that.
Yeah.
And then
so we're gonna start, getting everything out. I feel that we're a little behind on getting everything out because a lot of the plants already woke up. A lot of the perennials, and I really wanted to grab some out of them before they pushed out a lot of growth.
Yeah.
But we're still okay. The weather is nice and cool right now in Virginia. We're still having, it's getting warm during the day. The highest has been, 80s?
Yeah, I mean, the other day I was sweating through my t-shirt, and now I'm wearing a sweater today.
Yeah, today is cool. Today we're 60s, high 60s, I'm going to say.
Mm-hmm.
The highest would probably be in
I think
70.
it's 59 right now. I can actually check.
Check. But
It says
it's spring, guys. It's you don't know what you're gonna get sometimes.
64 with some drizzle apparently. Which
I felt it.
Yeah,
it's always raining in
yesterday
Virginia.
we had thunderstorms, so
which is beautiful. So, yeah, we just wanted to pop up on here. We have more videos that you have lined up already.
Yep.
But we've been having so many things going on, and we want to go ahead and share with you on this video.
I've got like 2 videos I need to edit and put out there for you guys.
Yeah.
But
one will be, I know that
I did the apple tree.
The apple tree with the espular tree.
Yes, and then I did.
So you'll see that
I know
soon.
people have had questions about how the espalier is actually doing, and it's doing great. So I'll put that video out soon. And then I have another rose spraying video. Going around and taking care of the roses, something that we normally do every time the roses start to sprout up.
So you'll be seeing him a lot. And then remind them about the last one you just put out.
Oh, yeah. So we just put out the one for the rhododendron, which we always get questions about.
It was a very asked one, very much asked one.
Rhododendrons do good in containers and how we maintain it. And I answer all the questions there, give you some tips as well.
Yeah.
So, take it for what you want. Is it a good idea? Is it not a good idea? I think there's pros and cons to both.
Just go check out the video. We've been, so you'll be seeing him on the following ones. Because I've been super busy getting everyone ready for certain things.
Yep.
We'll show y'all some pics of what's going on. Maybe we make it a little thing of showing what's going on during the week and the things we're up to. We have our senior. She had her prom.
Oh, yeah.
It was just beautiful with her. We already got... she went this weekend. They had their prom, so exciting for her, and for us as parents, getting her dressed and ready. So that's why you've been seeing him. You'll be seeing him a lot on the next videos popping up.
Raising teenagers is crazy. It's something completely
Growing
different,
fast.
but it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. Which brings me to a question that I want to ask all of you, because this is a question directly for Angela. Can you truly ever go to a garden center to just get what you want and not walk out with something extra?
I went in there talking to myself, and I know Ambrose was looking at me and I said, I'm not here for anything.
I think you even said a prayer, didn't you?
I'm not here for anything. I'm just coming in for the soil. I'm just gonna look. And then somebody doesn't help either. I know that I need it. Actually, let's show you guys. Let me just hold it. How about we do this instead?
There you go.
How about we do this? So this is some of the plants that we're going to go ahead and put in the front of the garden. For when we're leaving. We're not going to tell you everything we're going to do. I have an idea of what we're going to do. But this right here, this is a Super Tunia Black Cherry. So
Yes.
yeah, I have an idea for those.
I love the way that one looks.
And I don't use Super Bells. These are Super Bells Prism Pink Lemonade. They do not go in the ground. They do better in containers.
Look at that. I'm trying to get it to focus real
Ambrose
quick.
couldn't stop looking at those.
There we go.
They had to come with us.
Those colors are freaking amazing. Look at that.
They're beautiful.
It reminds me of that Teasing Georgia rose that we have with they come out pinkish and then turns completely yellow.
Lemon.
Love it. Love the way this
So,
looks.
okay. So that's what we just got right now because there was a lot of people there. They had things, but there wasn't a lot of the current winners plants there yet. They told us that they're going to be bringing out more as the weather is heating, warming up. And then I like to grow. I don't like growing them. I guess not that I don't like growing geranium outdoors. I love growing geranium outdoors, but I'll talk about this later. It has to do with our space too.
Yeah.
And the sunlight. Geraniums love the sun. I've been buying, whenever I see nice ones, pretty ones, I love to buy different color ones, like interesting ones. This one here is burgundy. I love this one a lot, and I really haven't seen it a lot. So I'm going to grow these indoors. I've been growing some other ones indoors. I love having them indoors in the full sun window. We'll talk about these later. But just wanted to bring you along with us. I'll hold this one because it's pretty. I love it. Look at that.
She actually let me pick the color.
Yeah.
At least she made me think I picked the color.
I was going to grab reds because I want them by the window. But I don't know. I kind of influenced,
She kind of did influence me because they had a brighter red and then they had a coral pink color, right?
Yeah.
And I didn't know it was burgundy, but I like that one a little bit better.
And I already have some other ones picked out at the other nursery.
Yep.
But anyways, we've been, we're waiting for the nurseries to bring out all their warm annuals out, and they're starting to. So can't wait. We'll probably head out tomorrow? Monday? It'll be Monday.
Yeah.
Probably head out tomorrow. But we just wanted to say hi. In between videos, we want to say hi and just slow down for a little bit and see what you guys are doing too. Leave comments down below. What are y'all up to? Where are y'all right now located at? What zone, what state? Let us know what's happening right now with you guys. I know in the north, a lot of y'all still getting that snow.
Yeah.
And I feel you guys. We've had that before where it seems like spring's never going to get here.
Which this year was crazy because we were expecting that last frost. The last 3 years we've been here now. It was like, okay, it's spring now, and it's not. It's cold. It snows, or we get a freeze.
It just feels weird this year. It's been weird.
It just got so hot one day. 2 weeks ago? Mm-hmm. Everything just greened up. Everything started to bud up. Roses starting to bud up. We can see them from here. Everything looks beautiful. Everything actually looks great, and I think. It's kind of one of those things that's I don't like it because we're moving, and I think this would have been a great year to garden because the weather just looks perfect.
It's perfect right now. Everything just seems like it's moving so fast either way, even though it's nice and cool still.
Yep.
But it's perfect right now to start bringing out the plants, and I'm trying so hard to delay that because it's a whole process that we're going through right now with moving and pulling out the plants. It hurts a little bit to disturb these things, but it has to happen.
Yep.
And we're moving plants out of here. We are sending them to other people. We are doing that slowly. But it is kind of sad to see things just start to slowly leave here. But at the same time, it's very exciting as well. So I think we're going to wrap it up.
Yeah,
we just wanted to say hi.
Saying hi, letting you guys know what we're doing. Taking Angie to the nursery and walking away with extra stuff.
So your question that you asked and that I kind of just...
I want to know everybody's answer, by the way. Just leave it down in the comments. I'm curious to know how many of you actually go for just what you go for and end up leaving with something completely different because it seems to happen a lot. And it's not a bad thing. We jokingly make fun of it, but, it's exciting to go out there and find something that you see that you didn't think about getting in the first place, or something that you're like, oh my God, this is something I want. And you end up picking it up and walking away with it because, it's absolutely exciting to go and see stuff like that.
Why not,
Yep.
But anyways, we're going to go ahead. I don't know if Ambrose is going to add some photos to this. I know we took some at the nursery, and then we have some from what's been going on throughout this week.
Yeah,
the rainy day.
I'm sure you've seen it throughout the whole video. I'm just going to put up some photos of
There are things that
what's
we
been
put
going
up on
on
Instagram. Usually people on Instagram and Facebook will see that.
That way you
go see us there.
Don't see our cute faces throughout this whole video. You get to see some lovely stuff.
Really?
Just kidding. that's gonna do it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Just a quick chat, catching up with you guys, and you know, you catching up with us as well. So, any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below in the comments, and we'll definitely be able to try to answer those as best as possible. Anything else?
No.
All right, so that's gonna do it, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.